Hello, YouTubers! I would like to start off this Halloween with something a little interesting. Now, in your time experiencing Halloween as it is, you might come across many scary things. But the problem with a lot of these scary things is that they're not real. They don't feel as though they could actually happen. So, I kind of wanted to show off something that is actually frightening because it is real. Trains are very frightening, and the sounds they make can be even more frightening when put in the correct context. Why don't you have a listen? And I truly hope that you have the common sense to turn down your headphones. I don't need anyone complaining about eardrum bursting or anything like that.